everyone. Now I want to teach you like how to share the files from Windows to Linux or other Ubuntu uh, in virtual machine. Now, firstly, you just have to create a any new folder in your Windows file system. Like I will create here here. So this is my folder that I want to share, and it can be used in both Windows as well as in Linux, which is running in your virtual machine. So just click here and properties. You can just give the permission like everyone. Just add this permission, share this folder, and in advanced sharing, you don't need to do anything, like you just check the permission like it needs to be allowed, and then you're done with this. So this folder will, let's say, you can check the folder here. Like you can see in Linux, there is a file system, and here is mnt folder. Here you get the file, but you have to open the sharing system in your virtual machine. So firstly, I have the share folder because I shared this folder before. So for new folder, you have to enable the sharing option in your virtual machine. So I'll show you how. Now you just so here edit virtual machine, uh, and then there is option. Here is share folder. In share folder, so I already shared one folder, that is name as shared. So you can add the new folder that I have created before. You can browse. So that was my share files. Just click next, and you can just enable this here. Don't do read only, because you will just read you this option just for reading the files. So don't enable this. And then there is two folders that you can see, and then I'm turning on my virtual machine. So here now you go to the file system and mnt. There is a folder sgfs, and there is nothing. So if you got a problem like there is nothing in sgfs, you have to manually call that files, call that share folder. So you can do it by, I'll provide you the um, link of code that I'll use. So you can use this for mounting, like, so when I run this code, we have to enable here super user. Okay, okay, so it runs the code. Now you can check the folder file system mnt, and yeah, you can see these are two files. Now here is your folder, there is nothing. So when you go and paste something, so I want to paste, let's say Amazon. Okay, so this database. in shared folder. So you can see shared folder, it paste it, and here is also you can get the files. So if you don't understand how the sharing works, firstly, if you if you didn't get the folder in MNT like I have done before, and there is some other option like I'll provide you with the code link. You can follow this step, just follow this step. uh, Run this VMware Toolbox-cmd and you just update and install this open VM. And then if you don't have this folder, you can create the folder. Where you can create the folder is just you can create a folder, go here, uh, in your file system. In this file system you can just open terminal here. You can go with root. Then you can see there is mnt is already there. But if you don't have HGFS, you can also create a folder. Then after creating HGFS folder, just run this command, and then you can manually mount the folder that has been shared in this virtual machine. So that's all, and it's so easy. Thank you.